Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, please subscribe. So I entered into my car yesterday to drive off to somewhere very important, and you won't believe what happened, what my steering was doing. So as you all know, I drive Lexus IS350, and yesterday I entered into the car. I started the car and I was surprised with what I'm welcome with. The steering was making one noise like that, like as if it's grinding. So I'm going to show you the noise. So I've started the car now. So I don't know if you can hear the noise. If you can hear the noise, can you hear the noise? Like it's making like a grinding noise. I don't know where the noise is coming from. I don't know what may have caused the noise. It's very annoying. So this is the noise that the car making, and I was devastated because I wasn't expecting it at all. So when I made my researches, I got to find out that it's at the steering. I think the steering rack is having a problem. Like the steering rack there is some rust inside it that is making it to make this grinding noise, and the best solution to it is to replace the steering rack. So if you're having the same problem as mine, you started your car, as you can see, it's still making the noise, as you can see, and your steering, as you turn your steering, it started making the noise, then just know that it's time to have it replaced. That's the best solution, as there might not be a way to replace this. It's an electric steering rack. So I think I might have been the one that caused this. So it's rainy season, so it's been raining almost every day this month, even last month. So I remember I used this car to swim a lot of water. So but I didn't know that the water would be enough to spoil the steering rack. So that is exactly what happened. So if you're in this situation with me, whereby your steering rack is making this kind of grinding noise, there is no solution. There is no repair. The only solution would be to have it fixed. And this, look at the dashboard. The power, as you can see, the power steering light is not out, so the steering is still smooth, but the only difference here is that it's making that noise. So as it is now, the car is drivable. I can still drive the car anywhere I want to drive it to, but the problem is that I will not be able to enjoy it because it's making noise because of the noise. So the noise is unbearable. It's very annoying, especially when you have someone in your car and you would have to explain, like the person will ask, where is this noise coming from, where is your steering making that? You have to keep explaining that your steering rack is not good, this and that happened. So if you are having this kind of situation, just know that the best solution would be to have it replaced. Thank you. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.